In a pan, combine the milk and corn flour. Mix until the corn flour is dissolved. Add the sugar to the milk mixture and stir until it's well incorporated. Place the pan over medium heat and bring the mixture to a simmer, stirring occasionally. Add the cocoa powder, a 1/4 cup whipping cream, mix it very well. Break the chocolate bar into chunks and add them to the pan. Stir until the chocolate is melted and the mixture is smooth. Add a dash of salt to enhance the flavor. Mix well until there are no lumps. Once everything is well mixed and heated through, pour the hot chocolate into cups. Top each cup with marshmallows. Finish by dusting the marshmallows with a sprinkle of cocoa powder for extra flavor. Serve hot and enjoy your cozy treat. Thank you for watching.